setup. No catalyst, but it had a lot of upgrades last week. They crushed it on earnings. And that earnings report with all those upgrades, good chance with legs on this baby. So here was the day after earnings, just pulled back into the gap and then took off. I'd like to get some more of this, but I'd have to have a pullback into 33. So, all right, I got me some NVDA there, 670, 334, coming up on pre-market highs. I'm gonna take a little profits here. We'll pop into 338. Nice quick move.
Order filled.
We pulled into it. It's a little bit early, but we pulled into that setup there. And so I just went ahead and added. I'm just adding what I sold. I'm not going to get my combo on what I sold there. So I got a nice full-size trade on now. Got an order sitting out. Got hit just a couple of contracts. Just paid myself again, right? Close list 5. Do a little add here. If we can get a pull back into this 337. Perfect. Partial fill. So what's the target here? I got a calculation here. The ATR calc is 345, 344 and some change.
Order filled.
We're stalling out here at the end of this 5. I just want to take a little bit of profit there. So I took profits on NVIDIA, got a profit stop in place. And there's the hourly target was hit. Came up, we tested 345.